Oh, look.
Guys,
What's up,
very cute ka siya phone ko. Yeah, your phone case is cute, just like you.
Ano? Say hi. Say hi to my vlog. Hi, Francis. What's the next subject, Lucia? I look so shit right now.
Hey guys, what's up?
My mom gave me a book.
What the freak?
Lunch. Classmate pa may step, guys.
Uy!
Yan. Hi, vlog.
Ba't tayo manalay din mo?
Real. Itong kay ko rin.
Look, halitong kayo.
Kana.
Halitong kayo.
Burning.
Huh?
No. Vlog, vlog, vlog.
Dapat mong malaman, walang personal na mga kaganapan. Pwede bang normal?
Wow, guitarist.
Yeah, di, maglaag ta.
Where? Jamming me guys, jamming me guys. Jamming. Smile though. See you tomorrow. A day in a life as a Lasallian student. Groupings edition. Ninyo, say hi. Day 2.
Output devices. But Arduino is more than just a hardware. It's also software. This thing called Arduino is where you write your code that actually gets loaded into your Arduino board itself.
Yung buhok ko. Yan. Okay, bye. With you well. Guys, sila na may classmate na. Aling ugong ko.
Diragi ako, mainit ko.
Aray. Ay, namoy gamay.
Alam, may pan-admit.
Ay, namoy gamay. Nakay gamay. Naya, say hi, Naya.
Close to my feet.
Okay,
bata sa class. Magabot sa gawas pag dili man.
Mura makagilimpiyon, day.
Microplastic, excuse me.
I'm gonna record you clean slave.
It's because I'm doing my own best. Yawa ay number.
Sige, ana.
Baby. Stop.
Bye-bye. Bye, Naya. Bye. See you tomorrow. Gusto ko nga si Shell kung guys, malibaw si Jen. Ha? May afam. Uy, kita ko. Birthday girl.
You know what it is?
What?
I brought someone from America.
For sure ba?
She went here, she moved to America in grade 6.
Fit check.
This is from Nine West. This is from H&M. Mango. This is from Zara. This is from Longchamp.
Oh, she.
Diyos dahil Inawa kita Diyos dahil ang iba'y sinasala.
Lola.
I'm gonna jump right now.
Wait, say hi. Oh my gosh, she's gonna die. Huh? Say wait, wait.
What's spicy? Hi! Wait.
It's my mom, bro. Stop recording. I'm ordering a We're gonna order something we're not familiar with. Top with 2 piece salmon, 2 piece tuna, 2 piece US cow. Did it? Fresquito con pure delate. Kat, di pa dahil pa kasi doon.
Yeah.
Hello? Gi-abandon ako ang
Mitsu, bro.
The heck was you? No.
No.
Wait. Yan naman drink dito. Ano mo your drink? Lagi ba? Ang gila na.
Cucumber lemonade. Amo kaming duha.
Yana, what do you want drink?
Can you pass me a piece of chicken?
Tayo ay nasa fine dining restaurant, di ba?
Kaya ang pagka-squatter nyo, nyo sa bahay.
Ako na.
No.
Ako dahil
Ah, speaker.
Dahil ka na yun. No, I joke. I'm sorry.
Guys, don't subscribe. Subscribe to my channel.
I don't have channel. Okay. What do you want? Yeah, sorry naman. This?
Na may classmate nito. School, guys. So sad. Ako sa gususad ko. Ako sad. Mga ignorant. Uy, yun sila. Fine shot, bro.
Napadira ako, friend.
Gusto yan?
Do you want to see?
Wala. Relax. Go eat it. Take two, bro. Take two.
Huh?
Mozzarella stick. Kinamay sa ads daw, sa ads. Hindi pa, i-stretch pa, Gianna. You stretch it.
Dapat ka na ang kuhan. Like, kasi taga lang sa video bitaw nga. Like,
Gianna. OA, pina-OA ba? Gwapa sa tiyada. Let's feed each other.
linaw naman sa'yo na. Hindi ako mag-boom sa'yo. Kailangan ako nagkasal. Umuwi na
Oh my God. Pwede, gusto ko naman siya duha. Dungan na lang tama. Hi, Derek Shaw. Your future. Mga bata pa.
Wait for us. I said the
Wait for us. When I turn 18, we can marry. Bro, 15 years age ka. Susukan. Mga ko, Brian. What did you say to me? Huh?
Shut up.
I'm gonna show this to your mom.
Mom. Mommy, I love you, mommy.
I'm gonna keep filming. I won't stop.
Don't stop. Get it.
Asa mo chicken takbo doon?
chicken tax ko
Guys, mauna ni among chicken. Tacos. Ano sa ito? Tuna? Asa daw? Asa daw? 3, 2, 1. This is my very, very pretty na friend. She, bro, touch me.
Paul.
mag-vlog daw.
Technical.
Hi, ma.
Play another verse. I could be a sanctuary.
Malaki na kayo. Kayo na mag-decide. Kayo na maghanap ng gagawin nyo.
Jessie, what is this, Jessie? Oh, she. Jessie. Oh, look. Watch me. Dapat mahanap na mag-vlog. Ako na yung makita ko yung Instagram.
Rich na sila Dualada. Hibi si Pimbal si Sada.
Birthday girl.
Birthday girl. Birthday girl.
Yes.
Check it out.
Diba, ako? Very big dragon.
Ay, wait. It's really near the ferry.
Next is ang qualities yung phone. Mag-first cup pa rin. Mag-first cup na. Stop. Mag-get you ready. Yeah.
No, that's weird.
Tinagkik ang kulit yun. Go.
Later.
Keep it low key lang. Pindot ko siya camera, guys. Spam na to.
Sige daw.